I am also trying to get my friend Boa into Voop Chat as well. She is so reluctant, but I know she will have a good time once she gets over her anxiety. But you know what? I will make her get over her anxiety. I will make her get over her anxiety when she gets interviewed by Kara Carousel. Once you get interviewed by Kara Carousel, your anxiety quickly goes away. You will get interviewed. You will tell more about yourself. When you get interviewed by me, you will know more about yourself. I will make sure that you get a good experience talking with Kara Carousel. You will get the best talk when you go on Voop Chat talking with me. When you talk with Kara Carousel, it'll be the most interesting. And what the fuck? I'm doing a wrestling promo on Voop Chat, and Ren is nowhere to be found. Oh my God.